Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will take a look at how to list and sell Stubhub tickets. Now the first thing that we need to do is just go ahead and go into Stubhub, and you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. To do that, or to make sure that you are logged in, just go into your profile right here and then just go ahead and click on My Hub, and then you should be able to see all of your information right here. So if you have your name right here, then it means that you are logged into your account. So let's go back to the main page of Stubhub itself. Now what you're going to need to do is to go ahead and take a look at the ticket that you have and search for the actual event itself. So say for example, I have a Taylor Swift ticket that I want to sell, and these are all of the events that are happening. And then what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on sell tickets right here. And then you're gonna need to go ahead and search for the one that you have a ticket for. So say for example, we have one right here in Amsterdam. And then this is when you're gonna need to go ahead and list your ticket info. So what kind of ticket will it be? Is it a physical ticket? Is it an electronic ticket? Or is it a mobile transfer ticket? Just go ahead and choose which one is the one that you have. And then say for example, we have one right here, and then you're going to be asked, are you ready to transfer your tickets? So if you're ready to transfer, just go ahead and select yes. If not, and then we can just do this right here, and then you can select the date as to when. And then if you are ready to transfer, you can go ahead and add in the details that you have. So where is your ticket located? Say for example, front standing right, and then what is the ticket face value? So how much is the ticket that you have bought without including any of the fees? This is usually on the actual ticket itself, or how much you have bought it for. So say for example 900 euros or something like that. If you want to go ahead and add in features and comments, you can go ahead and do so. Are there any additional benefits of the ticket itself? Is it a VIP? And all of that. Any disclosures that you want to, you can go ahead and add it right here. Now you will need to go to the pricing, which will be how much do you want to sell it for. So there is an information as to how much these tickets usually sell for, between this and this, and then it's really up to you in terms of how much you want to go ahead and sell it for. So say for example 1,000 euros, and then this will give you an information as to how much the ticket is being priced for, and then how much the service fee would be. Once that you're happy, go ahead and set your price, and then just go ahead and add in more information such as your seller information and your account details. And then once that has been submitted, then you would have listed your Stubhub tickets into Stubhub. And there you go. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.